Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Creative Redundancy back again here with another video. Now this evening, which is pretty close to midnight right now, we have a severe thunderstorm warning in effect right now. I think I've heard reports of hail already. It's quite windy out. Almost 60 km/h winds. Woo. Sure is raining. It's absolutely pouring outside. You can see how fast that rain is coming down. Oh, I have one of my lights out, but that storm was so strong that you could see that it knocked out this tree on my neighbor's lawn. And don't worry, I'm still walking forward here. And it also knocked out this tree on my second neighbor's lawn too. And I'm not even joking that how both of these trees are reaching all the way to the front door. I don't see any structural, as far as I know, I don't see any structural damage. But I'll have to wait till the sun comes out. 'Cause, yeah. I guess I got lucky. Our tree in the front yard didn't actually. It's strong. It's still strong. It's still holding up. So glad my tree in the front yard is pretty good right now. I don't see anything. Looks pretty good up there. I don't even see any split branches up there. Well, I guess I got lucky. So yeah. See? There's one. Here's two. Not even joking. You could see it broke right there. You could just see that. Hey, maybe there'll be some firewood. I guess. Might as well look on the bright side of things. Dang, that's huge. That probably weighs several hundred pounds. Well, likely no one got hurt, and it looks like there's no major structural damage for my neighbors here. Well, I guess this storm that passed by, even though it's just a quick, maybe hour, 2 hour severe thunderstorm, well, the winds were damaging enough here. And this area that I live in is not really known for high wind speeds, but I guess the wind was strong enough. I guess 60 kilometer, maybe 65, maybe even up to 70 km/h winds. Those gust speeds were strong enough. So if you enjoyed this video, hit me up on a big thumbs up and hit like. Now if you're new to my channel, you can hit subscribe to check out the latest content for me. Now as the world changes, so much went south. To reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. One person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. Alright guys, until the next video for me, it's peace out from CR. Later.